Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to automatically route calls from your iPhone to a Bluetooth headset. This is a really handy feature that can make your life a lot easier, especially if you're often on the go. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find it on your home screen or in the app library. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. This is where we'll find the setting we need. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Touch. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll see the option for Call Audio Routing. Tap on it. On the next screen, you'll see 3 options with Automatic set as default. Just tap to select Bluetooth headset from the available options. That's it. From now on, when you receive or make a call, the audio will automatically be routed to your paired Bluetooth headset. If you ever want to switch back to using your iPhone speaker or headphones, just follow the same steps and select a different option. So, there you have it. It's a simple process to automatically route calls to your Bluetooth headset on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.